Hello guys, Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I'm
getting shoot at...
Francis, hello, may waiter tayo dito guys. Oh, waiter!
It's for... Wow!
Okay, wait, Francie, I'll show you.
Oh, good. Oh, has to cry.
Oh, there's a big one.
Number one.
Ah! Yeah, but you have to wait. Yeah.
Heavy.
It's heavy. Okay. Okay. Number 23. Good. That's it. Oh, you have 3 candies. Count.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
I'll tell you.
Ah?
I'll tell you.
You don't have all the candy, but it's all like that. So what will you say? What will you say? Why you are sad? You wanna open again? Put it inside again. Tomorrow the last one, and after that you will open all the gifts. Francine, tomorrow you open the gifts at night. That one, because Santa will come to town.
A club.
You wanna open again?
Yeah.
Okay. Then put it inside.
Okay. Thank you for
24? Oh, you are right.
How did you know?
I'll tell you.
No candy? Oh, Ella has so many candies.
Oh. Here,
Give her some.
here.
What will you say? Thank you. Good job, Francine. Done? Hi, good evening. Hello guys, Merry Christmas. Hello, tapos na kaming mag-dinner. Hindi na akong napagtas. Sobrang busy kanina kasi nagluluto.
Francis, yeah.
Okay.
So ito na lang natira, guys. Ito na lang natira. Meron tayong leche flan. Meron tayong leche flan at saka cake lang at ang natira natin. Andon sila. Wait, kasi nagsisit up si Frank kasi mag-picture kami sa aming Christmas picture. Ayun ang mga bata doon.
We're chilling.
Tapos na kaming kumain. Nag-dinner na kami. Tapos ang kinain lang namin, nagluto si Frank ng, ano ba yun? What's that called, baby, or dinner? The pork. Braten?
Schweinebraten.
Schweinebraten. Krustenbraten sa German. Huh? Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it? Francine?
You are the...
Oh. And Francine will open so many gifts today.
No, let the up in the...
You don't want open? Ayan na. Ang ating mga gifts, guys. And there is Papa Frank. Ay, what is that? After truth. Ayan. And then Francis da. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ah!
Baby.
Shoot at...
Francis. Hello, may waiter tayo dito, guys. Oh, waiter. Hello, waiter. Where's the champagne?
Patchy.
Oh, yeah, we are in a party. Party. Ten. Si Francine laging tumitingin sa gifts. Oh, lagi siyang tumitingin. Inaantay namin na mag-open.
I off my own.
Ayan.
La la la.
Wow!
Okay, wait, Francie, I'll show you.
Oh, now the has to cry.
I turn you on mute.
Yay!
Okay, Papa will distribute now the gifts.
Number 2.
That is Vanessa. Okay.
Mama.
So we what?
What's number 2? Number 3.
Okay. What, Francine?
Wait,
Wait.
Francine.
Take that one there. No, the other one, the yellow ribbon. The yellow ribbon. Yeah.
Yellow.
That one.
That's number 1.
Yeah. Don't open yet. Don't open yet. You have to wait because there's more.
Papa.
So number 3, Ella.
Yeah.
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 Bate. Okay. What else in there?
Vanessa, number 2.
Yay.
Number 3, Ella.
Dun.
Number 1, Francine.
You have to wait there. Ang daming gift.
Number 1 no.
Another number 1. Look at that.
Number 3.
Oh my God. Uh-oh. Look at that Francine's face.
I don't even see it. Where did you write it? I don't see any number here.
There is number there.
Did you write it too small?
Yeah.
No, here was.
Check the other one. Check the other one. Maybe I made it so small. Check the other one because it's...
Can I?
It's bigger.
What is number is that?
3.
So this is number 2 then. Okay. Get the big one there, baby, on the back, baby, for Francine, baby. No, the big one first.
Wait.
We need to look at the number.
The big one first, baby, for her, baby.
Ah ja, das, was du vorhin so hochgebracht hast, Papa.
Ja.
Das war
Das ist
meins.
von dir. Aber das steht auch nicht.
Okay, warte.
Oh.
Oh, there's a big one.
Number 1.
Ah! Yeah, but you have to wait. Yeah,
Heavy.
it's heavy. Okay.
Das ist für euch beide.
Okay. Ah, das ist Candy, I think.
You have to
Let's put it
for two of you.
Number 1. Number 1. Another one
What's
for you.
that?
Oh my God, you have so many. Oh, but Francis, though.
Oh.
Oh,
Was ist das denn hier? Nochmal Nummer 1.
What?
Another one.
Mine.
yeah.
Number 2.
Mine. Mine.
Number 2, you're number 1, Francine.
And the other one is number 3, I know that.
Auch Nummer 1, 2. Nee,
Wow.
Nummer 3. That's it.
That's it, Francine. And that's for Papa. Papa.
Jean.
That's Mama's.
And Mama's.
Und that's
All
Mama.
you got?
Yes. And my handy, my tablet too out. It's my favorite.
Francine. Francine. Do you like your gift? Do you like your gifts? Where are they? Where are they?
She played with that in
Okay. Good.
Das passt zu dieser kleinen, dieser Kette.
Yeah. Brother is big. Don't give you feet. Sige, ano your brother? Don't give your feet, Francine. Francine, oy. Francine.
Is immer demikian dein Bag. Ich mach nochmal.
So sweet man, oy.
Oh, cool.
He's not anymore taking it because he's sick. So guys, nag-open na sila sa ilang mga gifts. Nahuman na sila. Kami na lang. Oh, you have a baby da. Nagamit na yung trolley, oh.
Oh,
Kain
the
tayo.
baby is really big.
Kain tayo leche flan.
Mukbang.
Yung cake, hindi nahalin na naman, guys. Wala na naman kumain. Suma na ni sila. Pero ang leche flan ko, malapit na maubos. First time ko mag-leche flan.
Oh well, there's nothing here anymore.
Yummy that one, right?
Mana sila party dito sa o wala pa? Mana sila party dito?
Managuro.
Who's
That's from
that?
the dress from Francine.
What are you looking at me?
Thought like. Look, there's a crib. You don't have a crib yet, nah? But we got one now.
Was ist das?
A crib to build.
Lagay ko cook, Davy.
Glue.
Lagay ko cook, Davy.
Look at his face.
Ano akong baso, Davy, oh.
Oopie doopie.
Mhm.
I don't know. It's gone.